Median, in the median also, suppose if they in the question, if they given calculate median, in the sense, just see the question whether is it in individual series or discrete series or continuous series. If it is in this individual series, for the different formula. If it is in discrete series, for the different formula. If it is in continuous series, for the different formula. See, if the data is given in individual series, for that formula and steps I have written. First, step 1 is arrange the data in ascending order. Ascending order in the sense, suppose see here I have given no 10, 15, 8, 9, 16, 20, 25. These numbers you have to write in ascending order. Understood? So first least to high. So least number to highest number you have to write. So here least number is 8, then 9, then 9, 10, 15, 16, 20, 25, like that. That is the step number 1 you have to write. Then find n plus 1 divided by 2 and divided by 2 item or observation. This is we will call it as observation. See, these are all we will call it as items also. These are all we will call it as observations also. Understood? See, after finding this, so here n means number of items. See here in the number of items means how many number of items are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 plus 1 divided by 2. You will get some number. So 8 divided by 2 you will get 4. So fourth observation means 1, 2, 3, 4. So fourth observation, this is what number? This is fourth observation. So that will be the median value. So fourth observation here is how much? 9. Understood? Stop. See, I have given one example. Find median. See, this is in individual series. They have given 48, 85, 15, 7, 19, 25, 32 and 38. So first we have to find median. So what is the steps to calculate median? See here I've given step 1, step 2 and step 3. No, so as per the step 1, what is it? Arrange the data in ascending order. See, this data is not in ascending order. See, it is in 48, 85, 15, 7. So there is in fluctuation. No, it is not in ascending order also. This is not in descending order also. So first we have to write in ascending order. Ascending order means write from lowest number to highest number. So here the lowest number is 7. In the same way, just find next other highest number. After 7, next other highest number is 15. After 15, next highest number is 19. After next highest number is 25. Like that I have written till here. So first, next after that, step 2, find n plus 1 divided by 2 item or observation. N plus 1. Here n means number of items. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there are total 8 items are there. So 8 items. 8 plus 1 divided by 2th item. You will get 4.5th item or 4.5th observation. So 4.5th observation in the sense here 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4.5. You are getting 4.5, no? So if they suppose here if you get fifth, exact fifth in the sense 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which means that this is the median. So here you are getting 4.5. In that case, another step is, so what you have to do in the sense, so it's the number, there is one number. So 4.5 in the sense, so there is one number which comes between these two. That is what we have to find. That is what 4.5th item. So for that formula is 4th item plus 5th item divided by 2. You will get someone. 4th item is 25, 5th item is 32, divided by 2 you will get 57, divided by 2 you will get 28.5. so this is the median value. Next, suppose if the data is given in discrete series, so the steps is find less than cumulative frequency, and step 2 is find n plus 1 divided by 2 item, find median value. So I have given one example. Find median marks. See, I have told discrete series means this is the discrete series. Individual series means there won't be frequency values. So here marks they have given, and frequency, this is what x values, this is what frequency values. And step number 1 is less than cumulative frequency. So these are the values I have written. See, marks and frequency. This is what x values and frequency values. So marks means to 20, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 16, 12, 20, 40, 10 I have written. So if you add up, you will get n, the total number of items or total number of persons. So you will get, first as per the steps, first step is find less than cumulative frequency. So less than cumulative frequency, how to find out in the sense, see here I have written less than cumulative frequency. Cumulative means adding add up frequencies, added frequencies. Cumulative means addition. So cumulative, so how to find out in the sense, see, just take 16 as it is. So for 16, just add 16 plus 12, you will get 28. See here I have written 16 plus 12, 16 plus 12, 28. 28 plus 48, sorry, 28 plus 20, you will get 48. 48 plus 40, you will get 88. 88 plus 10, you will get 98. So ultimately the total number of items or total number of frequencies you will get here. So this is what it means. Sometimes in the question they will give less than cumulative frequency in the question itself only. First you have to identify how, in the sense less than cumulative frequency, always it will be in the ascending order. So if the frequency is in ascending order, in the sense you have to think it is in less than cumulative frequency. Suppose if the frequencies are descending, continuously descending order, in the sense, so I will tell you what it is. That is in the sense that is in more than cumulative frequency. So more than cumulative frequency means, how to find out more than cumulative frequency? Just check. See here the total number of items is how much? The total number of frequencies 98. No, just write 98 as it is. 98. 98 minus 16. How much you will get? So 98 minus 16, how much you will get? You will get 82. So it means that 98 minus 16. So in the same way, 82 minus 12. So you will get 70. 82 minus 12. Next, suppose, so 70 minus 40, you will get 30. So this is 70 minus 40. So after that you have got 30. No, 30 minus 10, sorry, 40 minus 30. So 40 minus 30, you will get 10. So if the frequencies are in descending order, that is, it means that it is in more than cumulative frequency. If the frequencies are in ascending order, see, all it is in ascending order, no, it means that it is in less than cumulative frequency. If the frequencies are not in ascending or not in descending, see 16, 12, there is fluctuations, no, in the number. It is not in ascending order also, it is not in descending order also, which means that this is in normal frequencies. So always in the question it has to be in normal frequencies. If they given in less than cumulative frequency, in the sense, no need of finding this one, but you have to find along with that, if I have to find this one. How? Here I have told, no, in the same way, see 16 as it is, you just write. So suppose if you want to find normal frequencies, in the sense, so 16 as it is, you just write. So 16 minus 28, you will get 12. 28 minus 48, you will get 20. 48 minus 88, you will get 40. 88 minus 98, you will get 10. So in the same way, this one also, if the question if they given in more than cumulative frequency or in less than cumulative frequency, so you have to find normal frequencies. But for the purpose of median, you want these two. That's it. We don't want this. Just for your understanding, I have told. That's it. So as per the steps, we will follow. We will solve this problem. Step 1 is find less than cumulative frequency. So we have already found out. So next one. So find n plus 1 divided by 2th item. N here in the sense 98. See here n means we have taken 8 items. There is 8 items that we have taken as n. So here they have given frequency. So n means 98. Understood? 98 plus 1 divided by 2, you will get 99 divided by 2, you will get 49.5th value. This 49.5th value you have to identify in these numbers. This number, which comes nearest in these values, that is what you have to identify. See 49.5 comes around which here. So you should not take this one. Always you have to take more than this value. You should not take the less than this value. Understand? So 49.5 in the sense, just take more than this value. Don't take less than this value. So 49.5 in the sense, almost it comes here, which means that, so here you have got 49.5 now. That x value will be the median. Understood? Here the x value will be the median. Suppose if you have got here suppose 97th value, in the sense here you will get, you should not take this one 97, almost you have to take more than this value. So more than this value is 98 now. So 98, which means that corresponding of this value of x will be the median. So here median is 50. So if you get 97 in the sense. Next, if the data is given in continuous series. So continuous series, I have already told you what is continuous series and all. So in that case, the steps are like this. If inclusive class intervals are given, then it must be converted into exclusive series. I will tell you this one. And find LCF less than cumulative frequency, I have already told. And find n by 2th item. So n by 2th item in the sense, see here we were finding n plus 1, 2. N plus 1 divided by 2 item. Here if in the question is in continuous series, in the sense you have to find n by 2th item. After that formula is this one. M equals L plus n by 2 minus CF divided by F into C. So what is L, what is CF, what is F and all I have explained here. See, L means lower limit of median class. See, median class means after this you will find some number. So that number you have to find in median class. Median class in the sense, so I have to see 5 to 10, 10 to 15. So 15 to 16, this is what median class. That median class we have to find. In that median class, so whatever the lower limit is there, no, that will be the lower limit. See, I have already told this is lower limit, this is upper limit. So this is L means the lower limit of median class. In CF means cumulative frequency number of previous median class. Cumulative frequency number of previous median class. Next, I will tell you in one problem I will solve and you will understand. F frequency of median class. C means width of the median class. So note, so this you should be know. For computation of median, inclusive class intervals must be converted into exclusive class intervals. If inclusive class intervals given means, then we have to convert into exclusive class interval. If the class intervals are already in exclusive series in the sense, then no need of converting. See, they told for continuous frequency distribution, the frequency distribution of weight in grams of mangoes of a given variety is given below. Calculate median. So weights in grams and number of mangoes. So there are 14 mangoes. Their grams, their weights comes between 410 grams to 419 grams. That is what it means. In the same way, this one also. There are 20 mangoes. Their weight comes between 420 to 429 grams. See, this problem is an inclusive series. Inclusive series means like this: 410 to 419, 420 to 29. See, there is no any continuation. If it is an exclusive series, I will tell you how exclusive series. One example: 410 to 420, 420 to 430, 430 to 440. So 440 to 450, like this. See, this is in exclusive series. Exclusive means the last number will be excluded from this class interval. Suppose if there is one mango, its weight is 420 grams. So where you will write? Will you write here or here? You have to write here, which means that the 400 here, the 420 is excluded. In the same way here also the 430 is excluded. That 430 have to write here. If it weight comes 430 means that is what exclusive series. This is what inclusive. See here there is no any continuation. 410 to 20 20 to 20 to 34 and 20 to 34 and 30 to 40, like that. So it is in inclusive. So for the purpose of median, calculation of median, if they given in inclusive, you have to convert into exclusive. So you should be know very well. See, in the question I have already told. So if they have given in inclusive series, so we have to convert into exclusive series. Exclusive series in the sense, so always keep in your mind one trick. So just minus 0.5 plus 0.5 minus 0.5 plus 0.5. In the lower limit, just minus 0.5. In the upper limit, from upper limit just to upper limit just add 0.5. From lower limit just minus 0.5. Up for upper limit just add 0.5. So here if you minus 0.5 from 410, in the sense you will get 409.5. If you add to this 0.5 in the sense, so you will get 419.5. So in the same way, this one also 420 minus in the 0.5 in the sense, you will get 419.5, and this one also 429.5. After writing this, so frequency values already they have given. So as per the median, I have already told, just convert normal frequencies into cumulative frequencies. Less than cumulative frequencies. Less than cumulative frequency in the sense, always it will be in ascending order. More than cumulative frequency in the sense, always it will be in descending order. From here it will be in descending order. Here you will get highest number, here you will get lowest number. In less than cumulative frequency, here you will get lower number, here you will get higher number. In the sense, higher number in the sense, the total number n whatever is there, no, that n you will get here. In the more than cumulative frequency, that n you will get here. Understood? See, after doing this, what is step now? What is another step? Find n by tooth item. N by tooth item, I have told, no. So suppose if it is in discrete series, I have already told, you have to find n plus 1 divided by 2 item. If it is in continuous series, you have to find n by tooth item. So you will get 100. See here, n means, here n, if you calculate total n, you will get 200. So 200 divided by 2, you will get 100. Understood? After that, this 100 you have to find where it comes. See where it comes in the sense, see 100 will comes here. Correct? No, 100 will comes here, because always I have already told, you have to take more than this number. You should not take less than this number. So always you have to find this median number in less than cumulative frequency only, not in these values. Suppose here you have got 100. No, if you want to find this item in the sense, you cannot find in frequency values. 100 where it comes, see, you cannot find here. So you can find only in less than cumulative frequency. That 100 comes here. See, almost, see here you will get, no, this is the median class. To identify median, to find out median class, you have to find this median number, n by tooth item. That you will get 100. No, 100 comes here. So 100. So this is the median class. So median class. So this is the frequency values. This is the median class. So 439.5. So as per the formula, I have told, what is the formula? L plus n by 2 minus CF divided by F into C. So L means lower limit of median class. This is the median class. So lower limit is, this is lower limit, this is upper limit. Lower limit is 439.5 plus n by 2. We have already calculated n by 2, 100. Take as it is. CF means cumulative frequency. Always you have to take previous median class CF. In the question, in the formula, in the format only I have told previous median class CF. So say 76 take as it is divided by F of this median class F value, not previous class F value. So median class F value, previous class cumulative frequency value. This is previous class cumulative frequency. This is present median class of frequency values. Take as it is, just simplify. When you are simplifying, just do step by step. See this number, just first simplify this portion. 24 divided by 54, you will get 0.44. First you just simplify this number into 10, you will get 4.4. just add that number to this, you will get this much. So this is what average grams of mangoes. So in the same way, next problem, see in this problem they have told age in years, number of person they have given, and see here they have not class interval they have not given. So we have to write less than 10, less than 20, less than 30, less than 40, less than 50, and less than 60, less than 70, less than 80. So frequency values also they are given, correct? No. So in this case, see, this is not in inclusive series. Already in the question itself only they have given an exclusive. How? In the sense, if it is in inclusive, I have told in the previous question, just see 4 and 10 to 19, 4 and 20 to 29, they will give like this. If it is in exclusive, no. If it is in exclusive, in the sense they will give like this, or else they will give straight away like this, 0 to 10. So 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50. So they will give like this, or else like this, or else less than, instead of less than they can give more than also. So you should be know more than 10. More than 10 in the sense you have to write 10 to 20, more than, after that 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, like that. See here they have already given in the class, in a exclusive series. See here, for in each values there is 10 different, no, 10 difference, no, that 10 you have to write. So 10 minus 10 you will get 0 only, so 0 to 10, understood? So in the same way that you have to continue. So 20 minus 10 you will get 10. So 30 minus 10 you will get 20. 40 minus 10 you will get 30. 50 minus 10 you will get 40. Why we are minusing 10 only? In the sense that is the difference value of all these numbers, understood? See in frequency values they have given. See frequency 2, 8, 16, 20, 25, 34, 60, 74. But here the frequency values are in increasing order. Just see. So it is in increasing order, no? Which means that they have already calculated less than cumulative frequency. So we need not to calculate less than cumulative frequency. They have already calculated and they have given. I have already told in less than cumulative frequency, the total number, the n item you will get here. In more than cumulative frequency, the total n you will get on the top, understood? So here just see, so this is what less than cumulative frequency they have already calculated. But for the purpose of calculation of median, we want f values also. F values I have already told how to calculate. See here they have given, no, just write 2 as it is. 2 minus 8 you will get 6. 8 minus 16 you will get 8. 16 minus 20 you will get 4. 20 minus 25 you will get 5. 25 minus 34 you will get 9. 34 minus 60 you will get 26. 60 minus 70 you will get 10. This is what in normal frequencies. That's how the total n you will have got 70, no? So here also it has come 70. So here after that you have to find n by tooth observation or item. So here n means 70 divided by 2 you will get 35. That 35 we have to find. For the purpose of median class we have to find. When it comes this 35, always you have to find this number in cumulative frequency values only. So that number comes here, correct? No? See here you should not take 34. You have to take only this number. Why? Because I have already told the number whatever you will take, no, that number should be more than this number. So it should not be less than this number. So 35 more than this number means 60. So this is the median class. So this is the median class in the sense. So we have already find out median class, right? For formula, just apply the formula. L means 60 as it is, n by 2 35. So CF means this is the median class in the sense previous cumulative frequency. Previous cumulative frequency means how much? 34. Here 34. This is what CF. This is what CF. Understood? In the same way, last problem we have done, no, like that. CF and CF you have written cumulative frequency and F26. If you simplify, first you just simplify this portion. From that portion, just multiply this into this. For that, you just add 60, you will get this much. This is what median. See, this is also like the median problems only. I won't go to explain. I will show you. Just do it on your own. See this problem. This is one problem, and this is another problem. So another two problems I am have given. So for that, for your understanding, you can check and you can practice. And next we will move on to mode. Mode is also to calculate mode in the sense. See, in the same way here also we have to find mode. So how, if the question if they are given in individual series, in discrete series, and in continuous series, the formulas are different. So if in the question, in the given, if the data is given, data means this is the data. Understood? This is the data. The data is given in individual series. Find mode. So how to find out mode? This is how. See, mode in the sense, keep in your mind, mode means the repeated number. Mode means the repeated number will be the mode value. So here the mode will be we will represent as Z. We will represent as Z. So Z means the number which is repeated, which is mode means the number which is repeated, that will be the mode value. See here, this is the question. So in this question, find mode 20, 35, 40, 15, 27, 60. In this data, the number which is repeated, no, that will be the mode value. Which one is repeated? See, just see, 20 has repeated. 20 has repeated twice, no. So that will be the mode value. In the same way, this kind of question they may ask you for 2 marks. Next one, see, 25, 35, 35, 40, 52, 32, 25. So in this question, see that 35, 25 is also repeated, 35 is also repeated twicely. Each one has repeated 2 times, which means that as per this problem, so mode is 25 and 35. In this problem, see, just see this one, 6, 20, 30, 8, 7, 10. In this problem, there is no any number has repeated, no, which means that mode is ill. So we cannot find mode in this case. This is what in individual series, if they are given to calculate mode in the sense, this is how we have to calculate. Next one. So if the question, if the data is given in discrete series, discrete means x minus f values. So x and f values they are given, and we have to find mode. For that steps in the sense, find highest frequency value, and after that corresponding value of x of highest frequency will be the mode. See, first in as per this, if they given data in discrete series in the sense, first find this one highest frequency value. See, this is the frequency, no. In this frequency values, which one is the highest frequency? So 30 is the highest frequency. The corresponding value of this will be the mode. Corresponding value is which one? 20, no. So that 20, so that 20 is mode value. So Z is 20. Corresponding value of 30 is 20. So that 20 is mode as per this problem. Suppose, see, if the data is in continuous series in the sense, I have told, no, 0 to 10, 20, 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 22, like that. So like that. So what is the formula and what are the steps, that I will tell you now. See, as per this, you have to convert inclusive class intervals into exclusive class intervals. In median also I have told, so if you want to find median in the sense for continuous series, convert the inclusive class intervals into exclusive. In the same way here also we have to convert inclusive class intervals into exclusive class intervals. After that, identify the highest frequency. After that, from frequency values, identify which one is the highest frequency. Okay, after that, determine the model class. Model class we have to find. Then this is the formula. Z equals L plus Fm minus F1, this is F1, and 2Fm minus F1 minus F2 into C. So what is Fm? So what is L? What is F1? We will see. L means lower limit of model class. C means width of the model class. Fm means frequency of model class. F1 means frequency of previous model class. F2 means frequency of next model class. So I will yes, see, this is a question. If in the question if they given continuous series and calculate mode, if the question is in class interval, if the class interval is in inclusive series, so we have to convert this into exclusive series for the purpose of mode calculation and even for the purpose of median calculation also. So you should be keep in your mind. So after this, so after you will convert, no, then you just find highest frequency values. So which one is the highest frequency values in this? So 21, no? So 21. So from the 21, this is the mode class. So which one is the highest frequency value? No, that model class will be the that model class we have to take for calculation purpose. So here 21 is the highest frequency. So this is the model class. This is the model class. So L means lower limit of this model class is 39.5. Fm means frequency of model class. Frequency of model, this is the model class. Frequency of this model class is 21. So 21 you have taken. So 21. F1 means frequency of previous model class. F1, Fm, F2. So frequency of previous one. Previous one means 17. So F2 means frequency of next model class. Next model class means 18. So that is how you have to write here. Then simplify one by one portion. See, just write 39.5 as it is. First you just simplify this portion. From that portion multiply into 10. Then you will get this much. For that you just add, you will get this much. This is the mode value. In this problem they have given calculate mode and median. So mode and median they have told, May 2016 question paper. So x values they have given. X means 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 50, 50 to 70, 70 to 100 they have given. So here we need not to convert these class intervals into exclusive, because the class intervals already in exclusive series. So that is why we need not to convert these class intervals into exclusive. So here they have done calculations. So for the purpose of median calculation they have done. For the purpose of median you have to find less than cumulative frequency. That is what they have done here, less than cumulative frequency. For the purpose of mode they have done, this is the calculations.